Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2433 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's secondary air injection system, specifically the airflow or pressure sensor on bank 1. And if left unresolved, it can increase exhaust emissions, affect cold start performance, and keep the check engine light on. What does P2433 mean? P2433 stands for Secondary Air Injection System Airflow Pressure Sensor Circuit High, Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the voltage signal from the secondary air injection airflow or pressure sensor on bank 1 is higher than the expected range. The secondary air injection system helps reduce harmful emissions during a cold engine start. The system uses an air pump to inject fresh air into the exhaust. This additional oxygen helps the catalytic converter heat up faster and allows unburned fuel to burn more completely. The ECU monitors the pressure or airflow sensor to make sure the system is working correctly. If the sensor signal becomes too high, the ECU may interpret the airflow or pressure incorrectly and store the P2433 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2433, you may notice: check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, higher exhaust emissions, rough cold start, poor cold start performance, reduced fuel economy, additional secondary air injection system codes, and sometimes unusual noise from the secondary air pump. In many vehicles, normal driving performance may return after the engine warms up. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The secondary air injection airflow or pressure sensor is normally mounted near the secondary air pump or connected to the air injection pipe. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical connector and wiring harness. The secondary air pump is commonly located in the engine compartment, although its exact location varies by vehicle. The most common causes of P2433 include: faulty secondary air injection pressure sensor, short to battery voltage in the sensor signal circuit, damaged wiring harness, melted or exposed wires, loose or corroded electrical connectors. Faulty secondary air pump, blocked or restricted air injection passages, water or moisture inside the sensor connector, or ECU problems in rare cases. A faulty sensor or short 2-voltage wiring problem is one of the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional secondary air injection system trouble codes. Inspect the sensor wiring for melted insulation, broken wires, or corrosion. Check the electrical connector for moisture and loose terminals. Use a digital multimeter to check the sensor's reference voltage, ground, and signal voltage. Monitor live pressure or airflow data using a professional obd2 scanner. Activate the secondary air pump and verify that the sensor signal changes correctly. How to fix P2433. Repair damaged wiring. Repair any short 2-voltage condition, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty secondary air injection pressure sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair blocked or damaged air hoses. Replace the secondary air pump if necessary. Clear the trouble code. And perform a cold start test while monitoring live sensor data. Final result: fixing P2433 will restore proper secondary air injection system monitoring, improve cold start emissions performance, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, help the catalytic converter reach operating temperature correctly, help your vehicle pass emissions testing, and keep the check engine light off. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.